My name is Mazdak Rossi. I'm the creative director and co-founder of Milk Studios.
I'm Nigel Barker. I've been a photographer for many, many years and been shooting wishes for Make-A-Wish and doing modeling wishes and fashion wishes now for about 8 years.
It's just such a wonderful and simple concept of a young person having a wish.
I remember the very first time I granted a wish, and I wasn't fully prepared for what a wish meant, but I remember being on set, taking the photographs, and seeing these girls in front of me, not thinking about their illnesses, not thinking about the problems and all the hardship they'd suffered, but for that moment, and in that moment, enjoying it and being a real little girl, and dreaming just like every little girl, and thinking, this is a moment for me to remember for the rest of my life.
What's incredible at the end of the day is that everyone's wish comes true. If you look back at all the years at our studios and our facilities and our production, the Make-A-Wish shoots will be the ones I will remember for the rest of my life.
Through wishes and granting wishes and being a part of the Wish family, you know, you truly feel more loved than you've ever been in your life.
It's an incredible concept of a community that just stands up and says, we're going to put everything on hold because we have the most important thing ahead of us, and that is we have to grant a wish.
It takes all kinds of people to make those wishes come true, which means that millions of people have been involved, and we need millions more.
I'd like to thank everyone who, when they hear there's a wish that needs to come true, they just go, stop everything, we need to make this happen.
I personally want to thank every single wish granter out there for all the extraordinary work that they've done, helping so many thousands and thousands, I think the number is 350,000 and growing, wishes that have been granted. Thank you.